Okay.
It's a mirror.
Oh, it's a mirror. It's a Hello Kitty mirror.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Wow. Hello my babe, welcome to Mice Moment, and today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing look with this intelligence glasses. I understand not everybody can wear contact, and so they have to wear glasses, and I want to give you guys an options of different style that you can create while wearing these glasses. You don't have to do a regular makeup and expect that nobody actually know that you're putting on makeup. So with this style with makeup, definitely is going to be poppy, is going to be fashionable and elegant. And so today I'm going to show you how to create this look, and keep watching. I'm going to apply Porefessional Benefit first before I apply my foundations. What this primer's benefit is actually going to cover your pores and also smooth out. Whenever you're applying the foundation on, it's going to be such a smooth transitions. And I'm just going to apply all over my face and especially my nose where I know that I have a lot of pores. I'm just going to get it and I'm going to rub it around my nose portion first to fill in any empty spot. So before I go in with my foundation, I usually do the eye portion first, and as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. And if you want to know how to create a perfect eyebrows, I do have the video of Basic 101, and it tells you step by step in detail of how to apply it correctly. And so this product is here is an Urban Decay eyeshadows primer potions. But what this does is actually going to help your color stay on longer and create no crease, and you can barely feel it. I mean, it's like a little bit sticky, but not too much where it feels like irritating your skin. So the palette that I'm using today is the Chocolate Bar by Too Faced. So I'm trying best as possible to try to use all the colors and actually try to finish a palette, and that's my goal, but I don't know if I can do that. So for today, I'm just going to use this palette. I'm going to go in with white chocolate just to go ahead and blend everything together. It's a transition colors. There's not going to be a lot of colors. So what I would do is I'm going to take the white chocolate here, and then I'm using my middle fingers to apply it all over my eye, like this. So I can see that this colors right here does fade a lot, and there's not much color to it. I would say that this color right here is not useful. I'm just amazed how it's not having a lot of fallout. Whenever company deal with a matte colors, it usually have a fallout, but for this products, it's just really good. I would say don't be afraid to add more colors if you're wearing glasses. So I'm going to go in with Semi-Sweet. So I'm going to pick up the products with a M456. Like usually I like to put it like right in this area, right in the middle of my lid right here. And then I like to shade it in, back and forth. So the best thing about this brushes is that it's picking up but blending at the same time. And as you can see that this eyeshadows does not have a lot of fallout particle. I usually start from the middle in this section and then blend it and gradually intensify the colors at the end of my eyes, and then left over blend it into the front. And then I like to connect it toward the back, creating like a V shape if you can tell, and then I just basically blend it in back and forth. This palette is blending really easy, and then you can see that this part is very intense color, but this part is less, and you want it like that because you want an opening effect on this area of your close to your tear ducts. And then I'm just using one colors, but whenever you blend in really well, it's kind of like a transitions of a different colors. And that's why I really enjoy it. And then, you know, like nowadays, you also try to utilize this space up here. So don't be afraid to add more colors up to your eyebrow bones. The leftover color, just go ahead and blend it in this part and then gradually pushing up toward your eyebrows, because it's going to have a radiance effect. And if you think that, oh, eyeshadows is important, no. The brushes that you're using is also very important. I will always pick synthetic brushes over hair brushes, because synthetic, what it does is that it's picking up the products, but whenever you are putting on your skin, it's going to release the color to your skin versus going to suck and grab the color in if you were using hair products, because your hair have a natural soaking oil. So that means that it's going to soak the products and it's not going to transfer as how you want it on your skin. I'm going to blend it in also under my eyes. Don't go all the way to your tear ducts. Just stay at this region. This is what I'm using today, is a Revolution concealers. And the colors that I'm using is C6, and I'm going to use this brushes. This is the smudgers from Morphe. This is like a perfect brush for cut crease because it's really thin on the edge and it's also have a rounding on the top. I'm almost out, you guys. I've been using this like crazy, so I'm almost out. Let's see if I can use this without any problem. And then I'm going to apply it right in this area right here. So what I'm doing here is when I add a concealer, I can go in with a lighter colors and it's going to pop dramatically. And if you wish to cut crease higher than your lid, you could. There's no rule to makeup. And that's what I did right now. So instead of going in all the way, I just want to brighten up this sections. I'm going in with this color here. It's called Cream Bullet. And what I like to do is I'm going to use my fingers and I'm just going to pop that right in the middle of my eye. And I'm just going to like blending in and dabbing at the same time. And when I do with the metallic colors, I love to use my fingers because it does warm up the colors. And if you mess up, don't worry about it because we can use other color to hide your mistake. And so it just should go like in the middle of the line right here to add some pop. And what I do here, so you see it's kind of messed, don't worry about that. Go ahead and use the same brushes on here and dip it back to the semi-sweet. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to shade it in and then blending out toward the middle. So it's gonna hide your imperfection and mistake right now. See? So don't worry whenever you're trying to create a certain eye look and you mess up, you can always have a way to correct it. The colors I'm going in is Champagne Truffle. And I'm gonna apply right in the corners, right in this area. So you can see that, ooh, the color is vibrant now. In this part, you see that it's kind of like a little bit messy. Don't worry about that. And that's why you're going to grab a clean Morphe M433. This is more a fluffier Morphe brushes and it's good for blending. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this and I'm just going to smooth it out. And it's going to blend in really well. And then I'm going to take the Champagne Truffle and I'm going to apply where my brow bones is. And I'm going to apply right in this region and I'm just blending back and forth like that. You see a very shininess on my eyebrows like this. I'm using Champagne Truffle and then I'm just applying under my eye. And then you're going to do a tapping motion because you want to pack on the colors versus blending out. And I'm just going to pack more colors in this region right here. And today I'm using a Kat Von D, and this is the tattoo liners. This is a triple fudge here. So what I'm going to do is I'm applying on the bottom like this and then blending out. So the next products I'm going to put is Urban Decay Heavy Metal. So I'm using this products here. It's a Essence Volume Stylist for 18 hours. This is such a good product. It's also volume and lengthening at the same time. And you can reapply it and it's not going to be chunky. And it's not going to transfer to your upper lid or lower lid whenever you applied it. It's dry pretty quick and it's going to stay that way throughout the day. And what I'm doing here is just to marry my real eyelashes and my false eyelash together so people will not see like two lines. And for today, I'm going in with Misha, the Prefect Cover BB creams. And this have benefit of SPF of 42 and the colors is honey beige. I feel the best way to hold a beauty sponge is actually press this against each other and then you're gonna use a dapping motion and apply all over your face. Once I feel that this is even, I'm gonna work on this section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this region. I just want to lighten up this area because it's going to bring out the best of me. My cupid bow. And my chin. So after this, I'm going to go in with an Airspun. This is the translucent extra coverage. So I'm going to apply all over the places where I just apply my concealer so it won't crease. So right now you can see that my face is kind of flat. So I'm using a Hoola bronzers by Benefit. So it's like I'm scoping out my face and just blending it in like this. I have not tried their blushes, so I'm excited to try it. It's so cute, the package. Hopefully it blends out good because this is intense colors. I mean, let's see if it's good or not. And I'm going in with an angle brush. And I'm just going to tap it a little bit and I'm going to apply right here. The blushes I'm applying is called Grow Flirt. It's not too intense and you can actually build it up to be this colors. So I just want to be extra rosy today. So I'm going to put in ColourPop and this is the Flexitarians and this is like a highlighters. I'm going to apply on my cheekbones. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going to apply it right here. Ooh, yes. 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 That is so pretty. That is so juicy. Since I have very intense and dramatic eye makeup, I want to use a very subtle lip colors. And what I'm using here is from Buxom. And this color is Hot Toddy. And I really like how it feels on my lips because it's like a tingling sensation. And this product is also help to plump up your lips. And I'm going in to spray all over my face. This video was requested by my best friend. Her name is Elizabeth and she had been requesting this video I would say 2 years ago. I was too busy to create it and so now this video is actually for you. Thank you so much for requesting and waiting and anticipating all this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumb up, click subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Also, comment below on what you want to see next. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.